Mama, I'm home. It's a cold, wet, dreary day. Temperature's about 40 degrees. I think I found a good spot. We're gonna set up a tarp shelter. We're gonna cut a ton of firewood, and we're gonna camp here all night long in the rain. Let's get to it. Got my BUSHCRAFT Outfitters 10x10 tarp. Got a wool blanket. I got a tarp for a ground sheet. Everything's getting wet. I need to get this tarp up real quick. Instead of carrying my big pack, I just carried my military sleep system in the stuff sack. And in here I've got my rain pants, I've got food, I got some beers, and an axe and a saw. Plus I got my trusty 5-gallon bucket that I can use to sit on today. It started raining real hard. I got set up in the rain. The temperature's warmed up a lot. I'm trying to dry myself out a little bit. So we're gonna have a fire right in front of the tarp. So I cleared out the leaves and stuff. Now it's time to go get some firewood. Man, everything is just saturated out here. It started pouring on me when I started setting this tarp up. So I just stopped filming because I can't risk my phone getting ruined. Tomorrow is supposed to be cold. And if this rain keeps up, there's even a chance of a wintry mix early in the morning. We'll see how that goes. Which that'll be cool with me. Now that everything's starting to feel a little more like home, I can give you a little tour. How about that? I love this tarp setup. It's just your A-frame. I just got a ground sheet, got the wool blanket down. I got my military surplus sleep system. I got to gather a lot of firewood, What I'm going to do is just go find big logs like that are punky and wet, and I'm going to pile them up behind the fire up against that tree. That'll dry that wood out, and overnight it'll all burn, hopefully. Plus I want to protect that tree from getting burned up too much. Man, I'm thirsty as hell. The rain's coming back again. About to go cut some more firewood. I've got some Nora rice, and I've got some honey chicken nuggets, frozen chicken nuggets. They're probably not frozen now, but I'm going to try to make. I'm going to boil the rice like you're supposed to in water, and then I'm going to fry it all up in a frying pan. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got that water boiling now. Put that rice in there. Man, this fire is hot. Oh my God. Oh God, we boiling over. Starting to burn through the backlog now, the big one. Got to get this food cooked. I'm going to move it away from that tree. Got to get it away from that tree, man. Move it a little bit closer. Man, that fire's so hot, it looks like the pit of hell up in that mud. Yeah, it's burning my phone right now. I want all the liquid to cook out of that rice so it's more fluffy, because I'm about to put it in the frying pan. I want to fry it up with these chicken nuggets, golden chicken nuggets. Oh yeah, now it's time to add that good stuff. Oh God, it's hot. This is sweet red chili sauce. Oh my God, it's burning my freaking fingers. Oh yeah, I'm devouring this shit. About to get this eat up. I'm gonna take care of this fire pit. I'm gonna have a long fire for a while tonight. I'm gonna get it away from that tree. Put some more logs on top. Got to move this log. Oh, you know Burnwood had to get out here and burn some wood. Cheers, everybody. Look at this shit. I done melted my freaking rain pants. Hot ass fire, man. In here I got some of Grandpa's old cough medicine, you know what I mean? This is a Pediasure bottle. These are awesome little bottles, man. I got another one, I got my instant coffee in it. Alright guys, it's time to get in this sleeping bag. I got the whole set, the green, the black, the bivy. About to be out like shout. Catch you guys in the morning. It's cold. There's nothing left of this fire. But for the most part, I slept good. My feet ended up down here a few times, and I had to slide everything back up that way. I'm all packed up, ready to get out of here. I'm gonna sit with this fire for a little bit, maybe pee on it once or twice, and then hit the trail. I'm definitely gonna make sure the fire's out though. I got some more water I'll pour on it too. But thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Now you're about to see scene 6 of On the Run. You guys take care. Be safe out there.
The rogue forces have been driven from the area and they have been defeated. It is safe to return to your homes. The rogue forces have been driven from the area and they have been defeated. It is safe to return to your homes.
you.